You meticulously write everything down, categorize, prioritize, but somehow, tasks just multiply like gremlins after midnight. Maybe you've tried a million different apps, sticky notes plastered on your monitor, reminders pinging on your phone, to-do list apps with a colorful interface but clunky functionality. But what if there was a way to manage your personal projects with the same power and flexibility used by major corporations? That's where Monday.com comes in. Now, Monday.com is a popular project management software, often used by businesses to keep track of complex workflows and team collaborations. But the question is, can this seemingly heavy-duty tool be tamed for personal use? Let's dive deep and see if Monday.com can be your personal task management hero, or if it's just another over-engineered beast in the productivity jungle. First things first, Monday.com offers a free plan. This is a fantastic way to test the waters and see if the interface gels with you before committing. Now, the free plan does have limitations. You can only have up to 200 items and limited automations. But for personal use, this might be enough. Now, what makes Monday.com stand out is its visual approach. Forget boring text-based lists. Here, you organize your tasks on customizable boards. Think of it like a digital bulletin board, with sections dedicated to different categories: upcoming tasks, things in progress, and completed tasks. You can then add individual tasks as cards within these sections. These cards are where the magic happens. They're not just text boxes. You can add due dates, priority levels, assign them a status like to do or done, attach files, leave comments, and even integrate with other apps like Google Drive or Dropbox. Here's the real kicker: Monday.com lets you get granular with your organization. Want to categorize tasks by priority and deadline? Create color-coded sections. Need to track specific details for each task? Add custom fields for things like budget or estimated time. This level of customization allows you to tailor Monday.com to your specific needs and workflows. But what if you're not a visual person? Don't worry, Monday.com also offers different board views, like a Kanban board for a streamlined workflow or a calendar view for a more time-sensitive approach. Another strength of Monday.com is automation. You can set up automated workflows to save you time and effort. For example, you can set a rule that automatically moves a task to the completed section when you mark it as done. You can even set up reminders or notifications to keep you on track. Now, with all this power comes a bit of a learning curve. Monday.com isn't the simplest app to pick up and run with. There are a lot of features and functionalities to explore. But the good news is, Monday.com offers a wealth of resources, tutorials, templates, and a helpful community forum to get you started. So, is Monday.com good for personal use? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're simply looking for a basic to-do list app, there are definitely simpler options out there. But if you're someone who thrives on organization, loves customization, and wants a powerful tool to manage your personal projects, then Monday.com is definitely worth checking out. The free plan is a great way to see if it clicks with you, and the paid plans offer even more features for power users. Just remember, with great power comes a little bit of responsibility. You might find yourself getting carried away with creating elaborate boards and automations for even the most mundane tasks. But hey, if that keeps you organized and productive, who are we to judge? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.